Officially confirmed that new Honor 500 series will debut in China on November 24th. We already see Honor 500 emerged in live images on Weibo, giving us our first real look at its design. The new lineup will sport a horizontal camera bar similar to the Apple iPhone Air and Google Pixel phones. The back of the Honor 500 appears to have a two-tone finish. The sides of the phone will feature a metal frame with a flat design. It will be available in Moonlight Silver, Obsidian Black, Starlight Powder, and Aquamarine color options. The Honor 500 and 500 Pro will sport the same design, with the Pro having a triple camera setup on the back. The base model will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC and 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage. The Honor 500 lineup is expected to feature a 6.55-inch OLED screen with 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate and 4320Hz PWM dimming. The rear camera setup of the Honor 500 and 500 Pro will include a 200-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel selfie camera. Both phones will run on macOS 10-based Android 16. The phone will feature a massive 8000 mAh battery and support 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.